Ever wondered how science study strategies and career advice come together to unlock your full potential? Welcome to Smart Study Zone, where curiosity meets smart learning. I am Mispa and this is my creative lab, where every video you see is crafted with care, from scripting to image generation, video creation, captioning and editing. I use powerful AI tools. For script writing, I mostly use Sonnet and ChatGPT. For image generation, I prefer to use Grouk and Leonardo. For video generation, I often use Grouk and Digen AI. And for video editing, I use InShot Premium. On this channel, you will find fascinating science facts, proven study tips, and career advice. Here is a peek behind the curtain. I generate scripts, create people, sample videos, and polish everything. If you are passionate about science, eager to boost your study skills, and want career insights, hit that subscribe button. I want to hear from you. Drop your suggestions and questions in the comments. This is just the beginning. Together we will explore the wonders of science, master study techniques, and build a bright future.